Here are the visuals of India head coach Gautam Gambhir and batting coach Sitanshu Kotak inspecting the playing surface at the Oval. The curator cannot be seen anywhere around. Gambhir and Kotak doing their bit, looking at the surface, checking the firmness of the playing surface. But the curator is nowhere to be seen right now. No signs of the head curator. Gambhir is gently walking on the pitch, doing some shadow now, as you can see. The inspection continues, but we can't see the head curator. We can't see the chief curator. They just lasted there for 45 seconds, and now they are making their way from the pitch. Oh yes, here it is. Looks like the curator is not even in the ground. Here he is. He is outside the ground. So clearly no poking Gautam Gambhir now. The inspection has ended. The fielding drills are going on, and Gambhir is still in discussion with Kotak on the playing surface. This is the pitch. This is the pitch for the Oval Test. Looks green. It's overcast, and we see the curator is still outside the ground. He's still giving instructions from outside the ground, and now he is coming in. He did not interfere at all when Gambhir was inspecting the pitch. And not just Gambhir, now it's the turn of Morne Morkel to come and do his thing. As India continue to train very close by, they are doing their fielding drills. Morne Morkel is looking at the pitch. Looks very green for sure. Looks green for sure, and India needs to take that tough call. Whether they go with an extra seamer, whether they draft Kuldeep, a lot of tough calls need to be taken. But that's for tomorrow, because right now the team is having some fun with their fielding drills, as you can see. They're divided into two teams. T. Dilip is throwing them deliveries with the bat, ground fielding, direct hit, net protecting, some wild throws. And Gambhir is done having a look at the pitch. Everyone is in high spirits.